Hello friend, in this video lecture I am going to prove that tan A plus tan B divided by tan A minus tan B equal to sin A plus B divided by sin A minus B. Take the LHS left hand side, writing tan A plus tan B divided by tan A minus tan B. So let's convert this all in the sine and cos form, because on the right side it's all in sine form. So for sin A we can write, for tan A we can write sin A by cos A. For tan B we can write sin B by cos B. Now for this one, sin A by cos A, and this one sin A by sin B by cos B. Now here the LCM is cos A into cos B. So this all term divide with the cos A, sin cos B come cos B multiply with sin A. So here sin A cos B. This all term divide by cos B, cos A come cos A multiply with sin B. Okay, so this term. Now here we can write the same thing, cos A into cos B is the LCM. This all term divide with cos A, cos B come cos B multiply with sin A. Write the minus, this all term divide with cos B, cos A come cos A multiply with sin B. So this will cancel. Now here after, so if the form like this, P divided by Q divided by X divided by Y, so write PQ this Y that move to up and here, so that if the move to up, this term this will cancel. Now here we already know the formula called sin A plus B. Sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. So right here sin A plus B. This term we can write sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B, sin A minus B. So it's all based on the formula. So here LHS equal to RHS, that proved. Now here you can take the RHS to solve the issue. So second way, let's see. The second way, taking RHS. So this is the term of right hand side. This break into the sin A plus B formula, sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. Now hereafter this sin A minus B, sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. Now we need to change this in the form of sin A or in the form of tan. So we need to divide this with cos. So here this all term going to divide with the cos A into cos B. So here writing sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B divide with cos A into cos B, going to divide. The same thing with the denominator, writing sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B divide with cos A into cos B. Or this we can write the form like this, sin A into cos B cos A into cos B. Here write cos A into sin B, cos A into cos B. Now here sin A into cos B, cos A into cos B. Here cos A into cos sin B, and down cos A into cos B. So here cos B cancel, cos A cancel, B cancel, cos A cancel. So here sin A by cos A, that become tan A, sin B by plus is there, sin B divided by cos B, that become tan B. Now sin A by cos A, that become tan A, minus sin B by cos B, and that become tan B. So here it's proved. So write there LHS equal to RHS, proved. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.